Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshri and this is Then Can Where Dental Concepts Become Simple and Exam Ready. So let's quickly understand the today's topic, which is National Dental Commission Bill 2020. Now what is this bill for? Now the government wants to replace the old system, which was the Dentist Act 1948 and the Dental Council of India, with the better and modern dental system, which is National Dental Commission. Okay. Understood with what is this bill? Now what is the aim for this bill? So the dentist wants the the government wants the better dentist with better education and should have better access all over the country. This was the aim for this bill. Now let's study the key objectives one by one. First is the nothing but the quality and affordable education. It says the dental education should be of good quality and it should not be too expensive. It should be affordable to the students. The second objective is there should be more access, not just cities, everywhere in India. A new body was established, the Dental Advisory Council, and new states will also have voice for the dental education. The third objective is the researches should be promoted and the dentist should stay updated and become the modern dentist. The fourth objective is the dental colleges will be checked regularly and the transparent system will be maintained. Okay. The fifth objective is there should be equal health care for all, focus on the rural as well as urban both. The dentistry should reach to every citizen. This is the fifth objective, and the sixth objective is all about the ethics as well as patient protection. There are strong rules for the ethics and complaint system. If something goes wrong, the patient can file the complaint immediately. The seventh objective is the structure of the National Dental Commission is there are three things you should remember. The first is chairman, the second is 7 ex-officio member, and the third is 22 part-time members. So you can remember with 1 plus 7 plus 22. This is the structure of NDC. This is important, okay? And the eighth objective is whether it be UG or PG, everybody should have the common entrance exam, which is national eligibility entrance exam, which is NEET exam. Everybody should have the common entrance exam. So this was all about the National Dental Commission Bill. I have explained you line by line. So if you want the mnemonic, I also have made a mnemonic for you, which is QAREREE. You can understand it with care. Spelling of care is C. You can replace C with Q. It is care. So the Q stands for quality plus affordable education. A stands for there should be access all across the India. R stands for the research promote. E stands for the equal health for all. R stands for the regular inspection. E stands for ethics plus patient protection, and E again for the common entrance exam for all, which is NEET. So this is the carry. You can remember this draft National Dental Commission Bill 2020 with this simple mnemonic, which is carry, so that you will never forget the important objectives. I hope today's topic is clear to you guys. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends so that they can also take the benefit out of it, and also like, share and subscribe so that it will motivate me to make more such content for you, for my lovely students. And follow for more and comment down below which topic you want me to make the next. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.